Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Neptune Wellness. I didn't realize this one was down as far as it is. It's kind of crazy. I haven't been watching a lot of the MJ ones like this one too closely because they've been down. It had a nice run up back there on February 10th like all the rest, and ever since then it's just been tumbling down. So down over 75% in the last year. Wow. Down over 34% in the last 3 months, over 30% in the last month, over 6% in the last week. And here's a look at what it's doing today. So it's actually green today. Something about this one caught my eye, and I thought I'd do a video on it and got some information about it. Oh, and I did just place an order on this one. So this one is Neptune Wellness, ticker NEPT. And I just put in an order. We'll see if it fills at 35 cents. I just lowballed it a little bit. I don't think it's touched 35 today, but I thought, what the heck, I'll give it a try. Maybe I'll do another one for 37 cents here, but I'm hoping it goes down and touches that, and that'll increase or help my cost basis out. Definitely I'm way in the red on this one. And if you don't know much about this one, it's a health and wellness company, engages in building a broad portfolio of quality, affordable consumer products in response to long-term secular trends, market demands for natural, plant-based, sustainable, purpose-driven lifestyle brands. Here's some of the brands that they're into. I've done a couple videos on this one in the past. I'll link those in the description as well. This has been around since 1998. Not a lot of volume on this one, 231,000, and an average volume of 707,000, and a $64.11 million market cap. 52-week low of, it hit today, 0.3556, and a high of $3.60. And here's a look at their earnings. Next is expected on February 14th. And as you can see, I haven't bought any of this one for, wow, 3 years. So I've had this one for a while. I come across this one with a lot of my MJ plays when I started getting into a lot of those. Here on Bing currently shows it as a hold. So a little bit more about this one. It's a diversified wellness company which provides nutraceuticals, legal MJ and hemp products, consumer packaged goods, and retail and business customers. Licensed processing plant in Quebec and hemp processing facility in North Carolina. Neptune Wellness Incorporated, another stock investors should watch. This is just dated a couple days ago on the 16th. So this kind of goes over some trade information. I already went over the 52-week low and high. Company's market cap is $81.11 million, and average intraday trading volume over the past 10 days was 0.88 million shares, and an average trade volume was 1.84 million shares over the past 3 months. Neptune Wellness received a consensus recommendation of an overweight from analysts. The translates to a mean rating of 2. Neptune has a sell rating of 0, and out of 3 analysts who have looked at the stock, 2 analysts recommend a hold on the stock, while 0 suggests overweight. Here it kind of goes over some trade information and their estimates and forecasts. Statistics show Neptune Wellness has outperformed its competitors in share price compared to the industry in which it operates. Neptune Wellness shares have gone down 70.84% during the last 6 months, and year-to-date growth rate more than an industry average at 57.14 against 14. So definitely one to watch. That's why I'm dollar cost averaging into this one. And as you can see, I've held this one for a while. Of course, I'm down, but definitely going to try to buy the dip. We'll see if it fills by the end of the video here. And if it doesn't, I'll put in another order and try to get some more. Maybe at 37, we'll have to take a look. Buying Neptune Wellness Solutions is possibly the most advantageous right now. So let's start up with the current stock price, which is 38 cents. To be very precise, the stock rose vividly during the last session to 0.4001 after operating rate of 40 cents, while the lowest price was recorded at 36 cents because closing at 46 cents. Recently on news on November 23rd, Neptune Wellness, Sprout Food launches a new website and branding. Neptune Wellness Company, a diversified and fully integrated health and wellness company focused on plant-based, sustainable, and purpose-driven lifestyle brands, today announced that its subsidiary Sprout Farms has relaunched its website. The new site provides a direct line for purchase with consumers via e-commerce and showcases a new look and feel for the Sprout brand, which is carried over into packaging, an updated logo, and a reset of the brand's tone and voice. You can read further details here. So I've been into this one for a while, as you can see. Like I said, I got into it with a lot of other MJ plays, and this is one of them. Unfortunately, one of them that is down. Feel free to pause and go over this there for yourself. Moving on, but bullish or bearish for Neptune Wellness Solutions in 2021. Shares rose in value on Friday on 12/17 when the stock price was down minus 1.53. The previous day close. Strong demand from buyers drove the stock to 37 cents. So it looks like there's some demand flowing into this one. So we will see what it does to the price. But if you're got a high dollar cost average, you might want to look at buying on the dip like I am. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. This kind of goes over some ratings shown as a sell on average. Again, kind of going over some strong buy and sell ratings. We'll go over some ratings here at the end as usual. Neptune Wellness extends mood ring product line with in-demand pre-rolls launching in Ontario and Alberta. This is dated yesterday. This is the article that caught my eye, and it's like, well, it's time to do a video on Neptune. So they launched on Monday. Today announced the launch of the Mood Ring new MJ pre-roll product line in Alberta and Ontario. With the introduction of pre-rolls, Neptune now has an offering for every major MJ product category in Canada. So they now have an offering for every major product. So it should hopefully boost the stock price. Pre-roll market is booming in Canada, and we're pleased to introduce this in demand format of our popular Mood Ring product mix. With sales up almost 200% year over year, pre-rolls have become a top 3 best-selling product category in Ontario as consumers increasingly seek them out of their accessibility and convenience. Mood Ring pre-rolls will initially be available in the popular Florida Citrus Kush strain in 2 times 0.5 gram format, launching in Alberta and Ontario in January. So another catalyst to buy the dip, especially if it starts in January, and then the stock price could go up, which would definitely help me out. So here it kind of goes over some of the distillate applicators, Craft Golden Berry Dried Flower in Alberta, and This goes over a little bit more about Neptune Wellness. We've kind of already went into them. We can click on the mood ring. Tell us about yourself. Well, we'll just try it. 1/1 of 2021. Let's see if we can just enter. Nope. We'll just change this up and see what happens. Awaken to the Wonders. Kind of an interesting website. Jack Flash vape cartridge. Pure Kush vape cartridge. Florida Citrus Kush. Quite a few different brands. Kind of like the website. It's really eye-catching and colorful. Kind of trippy. What we stand for: quality, sustainability, and accessibility. Vapes, flower, oils, capsules, harnish, THC, and CBD. So pretty much everything you could want. Well, check out the Neptune Wellness site. Transform the everyday for the healthier tomorrow, and just go to www.neptunewellness.com. This goes over their story. So I'm in a lot of these for the long term. They've all got to go up at some point. Even though I'm down and held this one for 3 years, I could have bought some other stocks, but you never know. I mean, this one's definitely going to go up once legal federalization happens. Whenever that happens, just need to be patient. It's got to happen at some point in time, you would think. But kind of goes over some of their brands. Moving on. And this kind of goes over more about the pre-rolls now available, which we already covered over here on Reddit. Extends mood ring product line and in-demand pre-rolls launching in Ontario and Canada. Alberta. So a lot of this that we already went over here on StockTwits, currently at 38 cents. Low of 36. Well, that shows it must have been today, and a high of 360. Remember when Canadian garbage looking promising and their management failed and went to a cash grab? Neptune Wellness mood ring. Already covered all that information. There you go. Buying the fear and stop under 34. Over here on Tip Ranks, currently at 38 cents. This is showing a hold with a 54% upside to 58 cents, and that's all the ratings they're giving on that one. Still right there at the 37, and I got it in at 35. I'll try another one just to get my cost basis lowered. But like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share, and be happy to share in the comments. Feel free. It's always welcome. There we go. So I got one in at 37 cents and one at 35, so if both of them hit, it should definitely knock that down. But if you have a crappy cost basis like that on yours, go ahead and list that in the comments along with any other information you want to share. And if there's any other MJ or any stocks period that you want me to take a look at, make a video on it, I'd be happy to do that for you. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.